What's going on YouTube? Mike V Trading back with another unboxing video. Today we're going to go through our HE department store shelf pull activewear lots. Now these are fully manifested in shelf pull condition and priced at a percentage of wholesale value. Now being activewear, you're obviously going to find a lot of leggings, sports bras, tops, bottoms, jumpsuits, and even some swimwear in there. And you're also going to get brands such as Nike, Adidas, Under Armour, Calvin Klein, and more, as well as private labels. But what we're going to do now, so we're going to open this up. We're gonna put the merchandise and all the clothing, lay it out on this cardboard that we put for you. And then we're gonna go through it a little bit more, look at the styles and the brands in more details. So hang tight, I'm gonna open this up and we'll be right back. I'm digging through this, I'm trying to look for some, a more variety of merchandise, something that we haven't pulled out already. But I think that's gonna do. So here, let's go back to the merchandise we've laid out and see what we got here. So as you see, being in shelf pull condition, a lot of these are gonna have, if not the majority, are gonna have their tags on them, whether it's their price tags or the brand tags, they're gonna be there. You see, so you had Puma over here, Nike over there. And if you zoom around or look around all these different options, you'll see brands like Under Armour, Calvin Klein, Puma, Nike. I saw some North Face, and then some private label brands. But let's take a look closer at the items you get. So you'll get some Nike tanks. You'll get shorts, sports bras. Not sure if this is a tank or it's a tee, but it's a tank tee. That's what we're calling it today. You've got sweatpants, again, Nike with its original tags, being shelf pulls. You got some workout yoga gloves, hair bands. Oh, these will definitely be good for me. There you go, you've got more of the, more sports bras. Headbands, leggings over here. Those are Calvin Klein. Tag still on there. So we got more tanks over here. Again, now the brands and everything you'll see on the manifest. So we don't have to go too much into it here and tell you everything that we see and the styles, sizes, and whatnot, because that's going to be on the manifest in the load center. So we've got some just tops over here. Now this one, pulling it out, this stood out amongst all others. Now, this is something I have yet to see somebody work out in. She's got more workout sports bras, different brands, Nike, Adidas. These are gonna be like nylon pants. Got little long sleeves tops here. It's gonna be like tennis wear. Again, you see the tags on almost all the items we're pulling out over here. More shorts. You've got some jackets. It's a reversible jacket right there. So what are we looking at? North Face. Oh, look at this. Got Calvin Klein. You've got t-shirts here, more tanks. What do you have over here? Got a V-neck, hoodie, leggings. All right, so this is actually just a portion of what you can find in one of these pallets. So as you see in there, we didn't even crack the top of it. There's about 800 pieces in there. I'm gonna say we brought about 100 or so, and that's just to give you an idea of what you can expect to receive in these pallets. This video may have just turned a little awkward because I'm in my socks now, standing on top of the clothing. But again, that was to try and get inside the middle and to show you what you can find. So remember, these are HE department store shelf pull women's activewear. They're fully manifested, so you can check them out on the load center. They're in shelf pull condition, priced at a percentage of the wholesale value, and you can find brands like we just went over in here. So you've got the Nikes, the Under Armours, Adidas, CK, private labels, and more. Check them out on the website, viatrading.com. They're on our load center. Comment below. Let me know what that snake skin thingy-majiggy dress shirt thing was, and we may give you something special if you come up with the right answer. All right, see you guys next time.